Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AMIRUL Danial bin MAZRUL. My matrix number is 24-22F1009.
Hi, my name is Muhammad AIMAN bin MOHAMAD FAIZELI. My matrix number is 24-22F1025. And my name Ahmad ZULHADI bin ZULKIFLI. Matrix number 24-22F1012. We from the group Digital Instrument.
So right now behind me is a Learjet 240D. So in this flight aircraft, they are using a 6 instrument, also known as a 6-pack. So for your information, they have 2 cockpit flight instrument, which is the first one is static instrument and also a gyroscopic instrument. So what is the 6 indicator inside this analog instrument? So let's go. In analog, instrument in a Learjet 240D offer a simplicity and reliability required less electronic complexity. So they can be more resilient in certain conditions, often easier for pilot to interpret quickly, providing more information about the aircraft. So first, let's go talk about the first indicator that we have discussed today. Let's go.
So now we are in the Learjet 24D cockpit. So this aircraft using a 6 primary flight instrument, which is PFD. So let me show you guys about the more detail about the primary flight instrument that has been used in this aircraft.
I'm going to explain to you about altitude altimeter. So in this altimeter is measured in feet and meter. So it's indicated the aircraft height from the sea level and is measure air pressure through the pitot-static system. And when the air pressure increase and decrease, the aircraft descends and climbs. Is to provide accurate readings, the instrument is adjustable for local barometric pressure.
Attitude indicator. Attitude indicator is for flight instrument that inform the pilot of the aircraft orientation relative to Earth horizon and give immediate indication of the smallest orientation change.
Turn and bank indicator or turn coordinator TC indicates the direction and rate of turn. An internally mounted inclinometer display the quality of turn, whether the turn is correctly coordinated, as opposed to an uncoordinated turn in which the aircraft would be in either a slip or skid. In modern aircraft, the turn and bank indicator has been replaced by the turn coordinator, which display the rate and direction of roll when the aircraft is rolling, and the rate and direction of turn when the aircraft is not rolling. Airspeed indicator ASI displays the speed of aircraft relative to the surrounding air. The instruments compares the ram air pressure in the aircraft pitot tube with the static pressure. In most aircraft, the ASI displays speed in knots or miles per hour.
So for the Learjet 24D have 3 more instrument of indicator. That's located at the right bottom row. So I will show you guys.
Horizontal situation indicator, which is HSI. Horizontal situation indicator is for display a plain view of the aircraft position showing its heading. It's information used by his drive from the compass and radio navigation equipment, which is VOR.
Next, I'm going to explain about vertical speed indicator. It's also known as barometer or vertical velocity indicator. So it indicates whether an airplane climbing, descending or level flight. So it's measured in feet per minute. is also used to maintain the proper rate of climb and rate of descent. And as same as the altitude altimeter is measured through the pitot static system. Now we're going to talk about Boeing 737-400. In the Boeing 737, they are using ICAS. ICAS stands for the Engine Indicating Crew Alerting System. So in ICAS, it provides gravitational monitoring of engine parameters and other information such as fuel quantity, cabin pressure or landing gear, and flap strap position is designed by the Boeing. So let's check it out.
So now we are in the Boeing 737-400 cockpit. So this aircraft has using two types of primary flight display, which is analog and also digital. So let me show you about the analog.
So, the reason why Boeing 737 is using the analog indicator is because they act as a backup when the primary flight display have an error. The analog flight instruments that has been used by this aircraft consist of attitude director indicator, airspeed indicator, vertical speed indicator, altimeter, and so on.
For this aircraft also use the Engine Indicating Crew Alerting System, which is the ICAS, as the navigation display and engine instrument. So I show you about the ICAS.
Engine Indicating and Crew Alerting System, which is the ICAS, is defined as is an aircraft system for displaying engine parameters and alerting crew to system configuration or fault.
So for the Boeing 737-400 is also have the digital instrument, which is
So this is the one of the electronic flight instrument system, also known as EFIS, that used to deliver the in-flight information to the pilot. The 6 of flight instrument system has been combined into one electronic attitude display indicator, which is the attitude indicator has been placed in the center, airspeed tape at the left side, vertical speed at the right side, and lateral deviation for ILS, VOR or FMS track is placed on the bottom side. Modern aircraft make extensive use of electronic instruments and displays. The advantage of using electronic instruments is that data can be easily exchanged between different instrument systems and used as a basis for automatic flight control.
So now let's talk about the comparison between the analog and the digital instrument. So what is the difference between the analog and the digital instrument? So for the analog, it's a provide a continuous and smooth data representation, while digital instrument offer a precise and discrete readings. So analog tends to be more in for quick interpretation, whether a digital instrument can display a broader range of information, may offer advanced features like data storage and communication capabilities. So that is the comparison between the digital and the analog instrument. That's all from us. Thank you. So in conclusion, that's all from us. Hopefully that you gain a new knowledge about the difference between the digital and analog instrument between the Boeing 737 and LAJet 240. So that's all from us. Thank you.
bye.